The 5 best rooftop theaters in Los Angeles, coming up right now. Number 1, the Rooftop Cinema Club. With 3 locations in Los Angeles, including the Arts Districts, El Segundo, and downtown LA, the Rooftop Cinema Club offers the most immersive skylines you can enjoy throughout various parts of the city. The Cinema Club offers hand-picked movies that feature everything from cult films, classics, and new releases. Number 2, the Melrose Rooftop Theater. The Melrose Rooftop Theater, or MRT, is a unique outdoor cinema experience in the heart of West Hollywood. It features an extensive movie catalog consisting of cult classics and new releases alike. Number 3, Level Detail LA. Located in downtown LA, this venue offers a beautiful space to watch a movie and catch the downtown city views of Los Angeles. Number 4, the Multiband Rooftop Cinema Club. The Multiband is a historic Hollywood theater featuring live stage and musical performances, rooftop movies, film festivals, and comedy. Despite the theater being multifaceted, the Rooftop Theater is the main attraction. Number 5, the Andes. This upscale West Hollywood hotel only on occasion has rooftop movie showings. However, when the rooftop movie nights are available, this venue offers a place to watch a movie by the pool, with stars up above providing a luxurious movie watching experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.